Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Sumo Logic alerts for infrastructure errors, full guide step by step clearly.
Once logged in, navigate to the Alerts section on the left sidebar.
In the Alerts section, click on the Create Alert button.
Next, you'll need to select the type of alert you want to create. Choose Infrastructure Errors from the available alert types. After selecting the alert type, you will set your search query. Input your query that corresponds to infrastructure errors in the search bar. Make sure to test your query to ensure it captures the desired data. Once you're satisfied with the query, click on the Next button. In the next window, you'll find options for alert conditions. Define the threshold for the alert based on your needs. You can choose to set an alert for when any errors are detected or for specific conditions. After setting the conditions, click Next to proceed. Now, you will configure the notification settings. Here, you can specify how you want to be notified about the alerts. Choose between email notifications, webhook integrations, or other available methods. If you select email notifications, enter the email addresses you want to notify. You can also customize the subject line and body of the notification email. Once the notification settings are configured, click on Next. You'll be brought to a summary page where you can review your alert configuration. Ensure all details are accurate, including the search query, conditions, and notification methods. If everything looks good, click on the Create Alert button to finalize the setup. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your alert has been created successfully. Now, monitor your email or chosen notification method for any alerts regarding infrastructure errors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.